In the realm of healthcare, few professions garner as much respect and admiration as dentistry. Emerging from high school, aspiring dentists embark on a lengthy journey filled with rigorous academic challenges, all aimed at mastering the art of dental care. Their mission goes beyond just treating teeth. They restore smiles and boost the self-esteem of countless individuals, transforming lives with their skills and knowledge. The initial step in this transformative journey is a solid high school education, specifically focusing on subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics. These foundational sciences illuminate the complexities of human anatomy and healthcare, setting the stage for future studies. With passion ignited, students move into the realm of higher education, commonly opting for a bachelor's degree in fields such as biology or neuroscience. Success in their undergraduate studies is crucial, as dental school admissions are fiercely competitive, demanding exceptional academic performance. Once undergraduate studies are completed, the daunting dental admission test, DAT, stands as a significant hurdle. This exam challenges students on their understanding of biology and chemistry, along with critical thinking and reading comprehension. Preparing for the DAT can dominate a student's schedule for months, as a stellar score is essential for gaining entry into top dental schools nationwide. Upon achieving this milestone, students are welcomed into dental programs where they will immerse themselves in learning about oral anatomy, restorative procedures, and patient care, each subject meticulously training them to become proficient practitioners. The grind continues as dental students endure 4 years of intense education. Countless hours are devoted to dissecting complex medical texts, fine-tuning their hands-on skills, and taking part in practical training sessions within clinics. Successfully graduating from dental school paves the way to the next crucial phase, passing licensing exams, thus officially entering the prestigious ranks of American dentists. For many, this is just the beginning, as they may choose to specialize in areas such as orthodontics, oral surgery, or pediatric dentistry, expanding their expertise and enhancing their career prospects. The landscape of career opportunities within dentistry is vast. Graduates can choose to work in private practices, hospitals, or even launch their own clinics. Each path offers a unique blend of challenges and rewards, with successful dentists often reaping significant financial benefits due to the high demand for their specialized skills. Ultimately, the journey to becoming a dentist in America is not just about gaining knowledge. It's about the dedication, perseverance, and passion required to create lasting impacts on the lives of many.